Hello guys, welcome back to Unique Beauty. My name is Maya Makabo. For those who are new to this channel, we talk about little there and there. You're welcome. Today's topic is butternut squash. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I've got it in Tesco reduced price. So I say, why not cooking healthy food for you today? So the easy way to peel it, you have to cut it in section like so that way it's very easy to peel. So once you peel, go ahead and blend onions and chili, like bell pepper, red onions. So once you use the chop blender, go ahead and add 100 mils of oil, cooking oil. You can use extra virgin oil, anything, and add your blend mixed chili, add tomato, plum, and then you go ahead and stir very well. Then you can add your seasonings at this point. I like using my seasonings at the point so that the mixed chili and onions and tomato can season very well. 2 bay leaf, chicken seasonings, black pepper, and then cow seasonings, which I will name all the description below. I use 1 spoon and 2 spoons, so you can check the description below for the seasonings. Yeah, then with some beef stock water, you can add little. You don't need water at all for this stew. This is why I use the chop blender to blend my onions and chili. Then once you add that, leave it to steam, and then for 10 minutes, then you stir. As you can see, it's dry. Mushroom stir fry mix, I'll be using that as well. So I'm going ahead now with dry fish powder, which is 1 big spoon I'm using because I'm not using meat. But you can also use grey fish powder, or if you want to use chicken or anything for this tip I'm giving you. After 10-15 minutes, once the stew is dry like so, you go ahead and add your butternut squash so that it doesn't overcook, because it contains a lot of water and it's so easy. When it's orange like this means it's sweet. And also when you're cutting it, if it's dry and orange very well like this, it's sweet, because butternut squash, when it's not sweet, when you're cooking it, you don't get the taste. But when it's sweet, it's so nice. So I'm going ahead now with my mushroom stir fry mix. It's so nice, guys. Try this recipe I am showing you guys. We have to try some stuff, mix them up. They're so nice. They're vegetable, they all contain water. It's really good, guys. Like I said, more secret recipe, it's coming up for you guys. Yeah, so you go ahead and cover it for 5 minutes. Once you cover it, you see it coming to a boil like so, and then you go ahead and mix. You can see the water now. You see the water. This is why you don't add too much water when you're cooking vegetable, really, because they all contain water, and especially the way they're producing all this vegetable nowadays, they're not 100% organic. Using non-stick pans, some of them are different as well, because when you're cooking vegetable like this, it contains a lot of water, especially when you put the lid on, you leave it to cook. It creates more water into the pan. But if you have a good non-stick pan to cook with, it helps to dry out the excess water quickly, and then it doesn't allow the food to burn once you pay attention to it while you're cooking it. So as you can see, I'm stirring everything out together. It's cooking well. It's not mushy. It doesn't look mushy. So the other way to cook it as well, you can always cook the butterscotch nut separate and cook the stew separate. Then once everything is cooked, you can add both together so you don't have it overcooked. Yes, guys. Just my dry fish powder, it's so nice, guys. So you can have this with a bread or rice. I'll be serving with rice today, guys. It tastes amazing, guys. Try this secret recipe. I am telling you, you're not gonna regret this taste, all with these seasonings I've used. Nowadays the chicken and meat is so dear, so let's look for ways to spice our food to get it delicious without meat and fish or chicken. This grey fish powder or dry fish powder, the amazing taste with the rice spice. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, because more secret recipe coming your way, guys.